Well, good afternoon, everybody. How y'all doing? Thought I was gonna take the Type R out today, but Mom's gonna drive today.
Yes, I have to drive my car. I'm going to Ohio for the summer, so I have to enjoy it while I can. I love this car.
So what do you like about it? What do you like about this car?
I like the looks. I like the way it drives. It's just a smooth little car that I think one of my favorites.
Yeah? What do you think of the shifting in this car?
It's pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's not bad.
Have you ever stalled it?
No.
Oh, she forgot to put her seatbelt on.
I forgot to put my seatbelt on, darn it.
And now we're driving down the middle of the road here. You can see.
Well, just a minute here. I have to get this conglomerate on here. Then I have to fix it, everything.
Gotta get the mirror right. You comfortable now? Whoa! You doing okay now?
I'm doing great.
All right. So anyway, the shifting. You think the shifting in this is nice and smooth? Is that what you said?
I think so. Yeah.
You ever stall it?
No.
Never?
No, I don't think so.
You ever grind the gears?
No, I don't think so. No, I don't drive it that much because I want to keep it nice.
Ah, okay. Well, there she is. She's primed and ready to shift.
I'm ready to roar.
We'll let you see her shifting methods here.
I probably shift like the old folks.
Like the old folks.
I shift like the old folks shift.
Uh-oh.
You know, that's what I'm old, so I just shift like the old.
I see. All right. Whoa. Let you see a little bit of her. Well, we're not really shifting. I guess it's kind of hard to watch somebody shift. I don't know. So what do you think of the ride? Is it too rough for you?
No.
No? Do you keep it in right now? I see it's in, I don't know if you guys can see. It's in third gear, but it's in sport mode.
I like it in sport mode.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So you don't ever drive it in comfort or Type R mode?
No, I like it in sport.
Okay. Well,
I'm going to have to make a turn here because there's a lump on the road up there. And you know, we have to be careful because of the spoiler in front. Yes.
You don't want to scrape your spoiler.
Oh,
that's
gosh,
for
no.
sure.
We don't want to do that.
Have you ever had the gear grinding issue in this car? A lot of people complain that there's a grind.
I don't have a grind and I don't have a squeak in the brakes either.
Oh, that's right. You haven't gotten to experience. You've heard mine squeak before, right?
Yes, I have, but mine doesn't do that yet.
I don't think it will. I think because you're in such a warm climate that you're not going to have that problem.
Well, maybe.
I mean, I don't know. Mine, when it's cold, it's worse. And it sounds like you're killing a cat or something. And then it rattles constantly from the, the A-pillars on each side. So that's kind of a bummer, but you're lucky you don't have to deal with that. So that's good. That's really good. What about the power in this car? You know, the other cars are so much more powerful. What do you think of this compared to those?
Well, I know the other ones have more power, but this is my kind of power. I don't like that real fast stuff. It scares me. I like the just smooth, the easygoing grandma type.
So is this a granny mobile then? Is that
no, people wouldn't think it's a granny mobile, but it's my speed.
Does anybody ever ask you about this car when you're out in public?
No, they really don't. Down here, they don't. In Ohio, with my sport touring, I had that wing put on. I had a kid chase me across the parking lot thinking that was a Type R, and I said, no, I had that wing put on. That was so funny.
Uh-huh.
So I think my touring looks really good with that
Yeah,
wing.
I do too. I think it looks good. Now, since you have the touring and you have the Type R, which one do you prefer?
Oh, the Type R, definitely. Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And why? Why is that?
I just like the looks of them. Uh-oh.
I just heard a squeak.
I heard something. Oh, my God. I just said it didn't squeak.
It squeaks. I hope you guys heard that. It squeaks.
It never did before. It must be because you got in the car.
That's what it is. It's because
You've done it to it. Yes.
I brought the squeak with me.
Oh, my gosh.
You have the squeak. I thought you would.
We'll see. We're going to stop right here. I don't think it will. See? No squeak. Oh! Unbelievable.
You have the squeak. I thought when you told me that you didn't have the squeak, that was kind of strange. I know it's more prevalent in colder weather, but the squeak is the squeak. Now, I haven't heard
Why
any...
is it a squeak? Is it because it's a racing car and they did something to the brakes? Look at that. I never. It must be because you've been driving it. That's what it is.
I only drove it for what, 5 minutes?
Oh no, you drove it more than that. You drove it this morning.
Oh, that's true. No, it's because of the compound, or the compound that they use in the brakes. For better braking, you get some squeaking because of that. Those special compound brakes. So I thought it was. Oh my gosh, you're gonna get it all dirty.
Oh my gosh,
There are sprinklers out here, and now the car's gonna be dirty.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
That's not good in a black car, especially.
No. All right, so I guess the bottom line is it seems that you do like your bumps here. You do like your Type R.
I do like the Type R, yes.
So you wouldn't regret buying it. You'd buy it again.
Yes, I would buy another one. Yes.
Even with the squeak.
Well, yes, because I knew yours had one, but I didn't think mine would have one.
Oh, jeez. Have you ever hit a curb in this car?
No, I have not.
Quick little story. Back with the sport touring that she also has, one day it was noticed that there was some curb rash on one of the wheels.
That
right?
was like that when I bought it.
So there was a big debate as to how this possibly could have happened, because there's no way she did that.
I did not do it.
So we're down here visiting in Texas and driving around in her Explorer, and twice since I've been here, I've been here, she has run over the curb.
I did not.
And funny enough, it's the same rear driver's side wheel. So I'm thinking she did it.
I didn't do it. It was that way when I got it. Nobody will believe me.
Yeah, I don't know why. Anyway, I just wanted to get on here, go with a little ride in the Type R with Mom. People, some folks have asked, you know, we want to see your mom driving the Type R. So here we are, we're driving the Type R. And I hope you enjoyed. Thanks to Mom for participating in this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't before. And we'll see you next time on the web. Have a good day. Bye.